Golden crunchy granola. It's the perfect way to start your day. Let's show you how we make it. To start off with, we're going to preheat our oven to 160 degrees. Whilst that's heating up, we can get our ingredients sorted. So to a large bowl, we're going to add 3 cups of jumbo oats, and then to this 3/4 of a cup of mixed nuts. To this, add 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds or seed mix and 45 grams of melted coconut oil. For a bit of sweetness, we're going to add 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Once that's been added in, give everything a good mix to make sure all of those ingredients are well coated and well distributed. Don't forget, if you like this recipe, hit that subscribe button for more recipes like this. Once that's all mixed together, we're going to add a bit of seasoning, so add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and then add some spice with 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Again, give that all a good mix to make sure that that's evenly distributed. One of the best things about homemade granola is that you can tailor it to your own taste. So you can substitute the cinnamon for some nutmeg or even some cocoa powder, just make it your own. Once that's all been nicely mixed, you're ready to place your mixture onto a baking tray and spread it into an even layer. It should look something like this once it's ready to go in, and then we're going to place it into the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. How good does this look? Golden crunchy granola that's so easy to make. Leave it to cool and enjoy it for breakfast. We like to have ours with some yogurt and some fruit. And for more videos like this, don't forget to check out the other videos on our channel.